good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is power of self-reflection. When light turns inward. Ladies and gentlemen, within every being resides a radiant stillness, an inner sun that neither rises nor sets. It is the silent witness, the essence of awareness, the eternal flame behind all thought. When life turns inward through the quiet grace of reflection, this hidden light begins to pierce the veils of confusion, revealing truth not as belief but as direct realization. In a world that moves faster than it feels, self-reflection is no retreat. It is the soul's return to equilibrium and clarity. Contemporary science now approaches what ancient wisdom long proclaimed, that within reflective stillness, the mind reorganizes itself. Neuroscience observes that during deep introspection, the brain's default mode network harmonizes with regions governing empathy, moral discernment, and creativity. In that coherence, insight blooms, scattered thought aligns into luminous order. The sages knew this inner alignment as communion with the divine cosmic intelligence, the infinite consciousness from which harmony and purpose arise. When human awareness vibrates in resonance with that higher rhythm, effort yields to guidance and life unfolds with natural precision. The Bhagavad Gita calls this the yoga of equanimity, wisdom born of balance, devotion, and detachment. Self-reflection is therefore not withdrawal from life, but calibration with its deeper rhythm. It purifies intention, refines perception, and brings coherence to thought, emotion, and action. At such moments, divine intelligence begins to participate. Guidance appears not as command but as communion through intuition, synchronicities, and the soft certainty of inner knowing. Just as the charioteer directs the horses while the soul holds the purpose, the reflective mind becomes an instrument of higher orchestration. Even science affirms that coherence between heart and brain generates measurable electromagnetic harmony, a field of calm that studies both self and surroundings. Thus, reflection radiates order into the collective field of life. What's the way forward? To awaken the inner sun is also to recognize the outer sun, the cosmic source whose energy nourishes every pulse of existence. When reflection deepens, the same radiance that fuels the stars subtly kindles the light within. A few moments of silent observation each day, anchored in gratitude and truth, dissolve inner noise and restore direction. When individuals and communities reflect with sincerity, their collective harmony begins to echo through the world. For the macrocosm responds to the alignment of the microcosm. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, self-reflection is the meeting point of the finite and the infinite, where human consciousness touches divine intelligence. When coherence of mind, purity of heart, and surrender to righteousness converge, the cosmic current takes the reins of destiny. Then the inner light leads, ignorance recedes, and the journey itself becomes illumination. As Lord Krishna proclaims in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, when the lamp of wisdom burns within, the darkness of ignorance dissolves, and the self, like the sun beyond all suns, illuminates the whole creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.